Okay, Steve, it's time to move on to your BellMatic. So let's get started. Okay. Back of your dial is a 1-4. Back of your case is a 1-6, and that is quite consistent. Okay, well that's the movement disassemble. We're going to look into some hand cleaning and get some final things taken care of, and then we'll come back and put things together. All right, it's time to get started. So let's go ahead and put the pieces back where they go. Okay, well that's movement built. Let's go ahead and check it on the time grapher. We've still got a lot of work to do on the calendar and alarm side, but this is a good spot to give a good check. So, be right back. Okay, Steve. Well, this is again a good place to start. So let's begin with our adjustments, and we'll get to everything within spec, and then we'll finish. All right. So, quite a bit of beat error, but we'll choose a direction and see what that gives us. Okay, let's see. Well, that feels pretty good. I like that. Wow. Perfect. Man, these things are good when they're good. They are just the best. Okay, Steve, well that is the movement completed. We are going to put your dial and your ring and all your hands and everything back on, get you in the case, and then we're gonna finish up. All right, I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, Steve, we're right here at the end, so last few parts to put on. We will be all set. And there it is. Your beautiful BellMatic. Really, really stunning example. I mean, I like a white dial. They're just so pretty. And this one is as clean as they come, and I believe, as far as I can tell, completely and 100% original. There's nothing that's been changed, even down to the crystal. This watch has probably never been opened in all of its life. It's just a stunner, and it runs as good as it looks. We're going to check all the functions here. There wasn't anything really that needed to be done to the watch. It's perfect as far as I can tell. Let's go ahead and check the funnest part first. Let's put some power into your mainspring, secondary mainspring, of course. All right, there we go. Let's, oops, well, we can do it this way. Haha. The buzz. There it is. Okay, so that's the BellMatic part of your BellMatic. We'll set it here one more time, and then we'll advance the time so that it works in a more natural way. And there it is. All right, that is it. Look at that. So cool. Okay, so let's check out how it does in all these different modes. We can advance the day and the time together. So there that goes, and then we do our quick reset for the day of the week. And of course the push button operates the quick date, which is so nice. Alright, well, I got your bracelet cleaned up as well, so that's ready to go back on, so it can come home on its bracelet, just like the speed timer. Let's go ahead and zoom out just a little bit here. So everything is looking really great. This watch is just phenomenally good. Got your end links over here. All important. Bring in the cool speed timer, and we have got two really, really nice super watches that are looking great and running fantastic. Alright, well, Steve, thanks so much. We will talk and get these back to you as soon as possible. I hope you get to enjoy them and you know, wear them often. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.